The place where you convert your website into a mobile application at the right price with just a single payment, iOS and Android platform. Why should you convert your website into an application? Well, we have a specific video for this topic. Check the top right screen. Now you can go straight forward and order the application, but we advise you to request a free demo app, which is available for both platforms, iOS and Android. For that, let's go to Request Demo section and complete the form. First, we have the email box where you will get the app or the apps in cause. Secondly, we have the website where you will find the link for the website. Now, on the internal websites, if you leave the field blank, all the other URLs which don't contain your website domain will be open in a web page, Chrome or Safari, not in the app itself. Let's say that your e-commerce website implements payment by card, and when the user clicks on pay, it will redirect the user to a specific page of the bank, which obviously doesn't contain your domain. In this case, it's highly recommended to include that domain. If you want every link to be open in the app itself, just type all. Now we have the target platform. Here you have to select your platform, Android, iOS, or both. Do you want to integrate Firebase in the demo app? This step is a little bit more advanced, so make sure that you've done this before or click on more details, which will redirect you to a step-by-step Firebase video. Now, you can skip these two fields, but we advise you not to, because this way you will not see the final app, which might affect your vision about it. Now we have the icon, which is the icon of the application, of course, and also the splash screen, which is an intro image giving a modern vibe to the app. Both images must be formatted as PNG or JPG with the specific dimensions, having at maximum 1 mega. After you complete the task, click on Submit to send us the request. You should get the app in 1 or 2 days, but if we have many orders, this task can take up to 5 days. We suggest you to check your inbox and spam daily, because the package should be there. Now, let's go to pricing. First, the basic Android application costs only $23.1 one-time payment, not monthly or yearly. In the basic package, you'll get some major advantages like push notification via Firebase, splash screen, and other minor advantages that I assure you that you will like. The basic iOS application costs the same as Android and includes the same features. Now, let's scroll down to the best deal. Android and iOS applications cost only $33.65 one-time purchase. This package contains Android and iOS basic package, but with a huge discount of 27%. Importantly, the price for every package includes all taxes. Now, let's click on Order. Deliver orders through Fiverr. The button will redirect you to a specific Fiverr profile. This is a huge advantage because you can get the money back instantly with just a simple report if there is any problem. Let's go to the basic package, which is an iOS or Android basic application. And also let's go to the standard package, which is an iOS and Android basic application. The last one is the premium package, iOS and Android basic application, but we publish the apps on our developer accounts. Now, let's click on Continue. There are some extra features for order. They are not required, but it makes your work easier. After that, you just need to fill in some fields, which will take you up to 2 minutes. After that, in just 2 or 3 days, you should get the apps in your Fiverr account. So that's it. In just 3 or 5 days, you get the apps, having also the opportunity to test them for free for 2 days. Convert via Convy your website in a mobile app at your lowest price without compromising quality. Share this video with any web developer, manager, and tell them about us. Save thousands of dollars using Convy.